You know what it is? Gym class heroes. And Dream, it's hard to look innocent when I got cookie crumbs all over my face. You dig?
I like girls, they like me. They look so good and they say MG. Want you to be the one and my only. I wanna be faithful, but I can't keep my hands out the cookie jar.
You see, I got this problem, I need help trying to solve it. Cause meeting after meeting, and I'm still a cookie hog. You can hide them, I'ma find them on the counter in the closet. And I'll say I ain't do it with my face covered in chocolate. My girl be setting booby traps to catch me eating Scooby snacks. I left crumbs in the bed once, but I told her I was through with that. She still don't be believing me, and I guess that I'm cool with that. But I got a sweet tooth that'll never come loose, and the truth of the matter is
I like girls.